Yo, what's up guys? Today we're gonna be talking about fuel injector cleaners. And does it work? Yes, it does. It helps remove carbon and harmful deposits in your fuel injectors, and it helps prevent new ones from forming. This also helps your car maintenance better, and it also helps out the way it works better. It just functions better using a fuel injector cleaner. You can use it in pretty much any type of car. I'm going to use it on my 2008 Kia Sportage. That's why you saw that ad in title. But you can use it on 2007 Kia Spectras and more, even other brands. Fuel injector cleaners. They can help you maintain gas, actually give you better gas consumption. And also it helps you later along down the road for maintenance cost. And these are really affordable. They're like $4 or $5. Yeah. When you should use them. You should use them every 1,400 miles and or 3,000 miles, kind of like an oil change. But these really do help. They clean out the carbon and they help prevent future carbon deposits in your engine. And it helps you actually make your car produce better performance, especially when you're using gas. Besides saving gas, I did say that is the gas saver, helps you save gas. It also makes your car work efficiently, especially if you're pushing your gas and you have like a sputtering kind of deal going on, and or you have like misfire. These actually help reduce that and kind of could make your problem go away by using this, because you might just have dirty fuel injectors. So yeah. All right, so we're just gonna put this bad boy in. Pretty much you just unscrew your gas cap, and then these things are pretty much a one-time use thing. This is Gumout. This is one of the best brands to use, one of the top 10 brands to use, besides like that purple, royal purple and all that. And it just has a tab, you just pull open. And from there, you just pour it into your gas tank. It's best if your gas tank is actually empty, and or you're just doing a fill up just now. See, you're just gonna wait for that to just pour all the way in there. But yeah, this is a magical tip from helping you guys. It'll help you along down the road, maintain your car better fuel efficiency. You'll save more gas. You'll burn the gas even better when you do try to get that speed. It helps your car. It just helps your car. This is a good tip for all you. I feel like it's not only for Kia Spectras or Sportages. You can actually do this on your car. You just let it all drain in there. It's a pretty quick job for you to do, but yeah. So it helps protect and clean out your fuel system, your injectors and so forth, and your valves and your combustion chamber. Yeah, it actually helps you out a lot, and along down the road, it helps you with gas as well as future problems with your fuel injectors for your engine. So yeah, Gumout high mileage fuel injector cleaner. Get it. I recommend this. Quick video, just me talking but telling you the advantages of this fuel injector. Again, this is a pretty easy job, but again, quick video. I just want to tell you that this can help your car actually work better. You're supposed to actually do like fuel injection cleaning and inspection every 45,000 miles, but maintaining them actually helps you from not having to do that service from a mechanic, and it's actually really good. But yeah, quick video of how to use a fuel injector cleaner and the benefits of it. So yeah, I just want to thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next car video and or skate video. I don't know. Peace. I'm out. Share this with your friends. It might help them with gas and all their other misfire problems. Fuel injector cleaners. Gumout, one of the top 10 brands. Peace. I'm out.